Hi, my name is Greg Matthews with Sierra Pacific Windows, and today we're going to change the coils on our premium double hung and our designer single hung. Okay, today what we're going to need to do is cut an access port into the window so that we can get the coil up and out. And I'd like to cut an 1 3/4 block, which is the height that we want to cut that at, so I can score that. And then basically we have to remove the vinyl. So we have to pop the cover off, cut an access port, and then from that point we can remove the sash and release all the pressure and move the coil out of that pocket. And then we will reinsert that right back into that pocket. So this block is cut to 1 3/4. So when I'm going to lift that, take the sash out. Come on out. Okay, set that aside. Okay, now we're going to release the pressure. Pop off the cover. We'll take our 1 3/4 block, put it up on the side, and mark. And we'll cut until we run into there's a track on the inside of here. We'll run until we hit the wall. Cut an access port. Remove the screws. Oops, if you separate that, there we go. Yeah. This off. And remove the coil. And there it goes down, 3 stories down. Watch out! What we're going to do here is insert the coil into the constant tension block. This is slid back inside of the port hole that we made. So then you take this, the tricky part. Now you take this and you want that facing the interior. So we turn this, pivot it inside that opening, slide the coil on to its position, screw it in there. You have this access port that you want to cover up. So you pop that in and then you slide it back up into position. Pretty close. Put that in, make sure it's set, press, go down, back down, it's locked. Done deal. Thank you for watching our video, and for additional information and resources, please visit our website.